Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 7 from our science book. Chapter name is Constructing a House. So, these are some subtopics which we have read today. So, these are first one is the climate of the place, the material available in that area, and the location for a house. These three subtopics you will learn today. So, children, good morning. As you know, today we will learn about the house. As you all know, a house is a place where we live. When you visit your friends, relatives, and neighbors, do you find the same house? No. Houses can be a different shapes, sizes, and can also be made up of different materials. So, what are the material used for building houses? Normally, houses are built using bricks, cement, stone, and steel, and windows are of the steel. They are generally made up of windows are generally made up of steel and wood. So these are some important factors that determine the type of houses we build. These factors include the climate of a place, the material available in that area, the budget. The budget is very important. The budget of money available with you. And the fourth one is the location. The climate of the place. The climate of the place. In places where the climate is extreme, to avoid the immense heat and cold, the houses have flat roofs and thick walls. The thick walls do not let much heat come inside the house, keeping it cool, while the flat roofs reflect most of the heat, allowing the temperature inside the house to be bearable. Some places receive heavy rainfall, which sometimes cause flood. To prevent the houses from getting drowned or prevent water from entering the houses are built on stilts. These houses are built a few feet above the ground or on raised platform. On the hilly area, houses on hilly area, hills have sloping roofs because there is very snowfall and rainfall. The material available in that area. Availability of building materials is in fact very closely connected with the construction of a house. In villages where bamboo and grasses are available near at hand, these materials are easily available in the villages. So there we found the kacha houses which are made up of wood and grasses. People generally make their huts. These buildings materials are also cheaper. So they can make their home easily. So in cities and town where clay and bricks tins are found in plenty. We find houses mostly made up of bricks there. Some other common building material are concrete and glass, iron, and marble. Stones are also used to build house in places where they are available in plenty, as in Rajasthan. In places which are earthquake prone, houses are mostly built of wood. In the place where mostly the earthquake comes there, so in that place houses are built of the wood. There is less damage if they collapse. And third one is budget. The budget. The economic condition the economic condition of a family can afford to spend in constructing a house, and social status determine the type of houses of people. People with the less income, with the low income, will build a small houses, but a man with abundant means will build a very big and fashionable house. So budget is very important to make a house. Location. For the construction of a house, the nature of the soil and the surroundings of the site are very important. First one is the soil. A house should be built on a proper soil. Otherwise, the foundation sink and the wall develop cracks. And the level of the ground is also important. Low level ground is not suitable for the houses as water accumulation near or around the house. So, houses should be built on high level ground to prevent water accumulating around them. So these were three topics. In the next video we will discuss about the plan of a house, foundation, flooring, wall, drainage system, door and window, and facility to live comfortably. So you will complete the exercise and learn it also. Okay, good day students.